Hi and welcome to TrendLog. In this video I will show you how to set up notifications in the Maintenance Planner. Open the Maintenance Planner by clicking on the button with the tools. Click on the arrow on the line containing your device and then select Edit. In the Notify settings, you can set up the Maintenance Planner to notify departments about an upcoming service task. You can write the email address of the purchase agent in the field Notify Purchase Email. Purchase description is where you write the email to the purchase agent. It can be a list over parts which are needed for the service, for example, oil, fuel, grease, etc. Click on Done to save the message. The field Days determines the number of days prior to a service job that the purchase agent will receive the email. The Notify Service email box is for the one in charge of work plans, so they can allocate time for an upcoming task. The field Days determines the number of days prior to a service job the service department will receive an email. Enter the email address of the repairer in the field Notify Repair Email. If the machine breaks down, the repairer will then receive an email. Now you know how to set up notifications in the Maintenance Planner. For more guides, please visit our website at www.trendlog.io.